All right, so good morning. The first thing we're going to do is Microsoft Word, so we're going to open it up. If you're not on yet, it's okay. I'm not going to go way too fast for everybody. And the first thing I have there on the agenda is very simply the File tab. If you'll notice on 2010, here we have a File tab is back. The older versions of Windows moved away from that, and they had like a little circle. And so for some reason people didn't like it, so they went back to File. So if you click on File, you can do just about anything from there. You could save as, open and close. It does give you all your recent documents, which I like a lot. You can see here I've had a lot of documents open recently. You can do a new document. You can print. You can save and also send. You can email from directly from Word now if you're using Outlook. And we don't have Outlook on all your teacher computers yet. I mean, you guys use the web email, the actual program Outlook. If you want that on your desktop, you can let me know and I can have CCL put that on there. And if you have that active, you can actually email right from Word without having to go the extra step of attaching to an email, which is nice. Yes, Shelley.
How do I get to Windows now?
The network
Right.
printer's not working.
No work. Yeah, that one should with these computers. So, so anyway, that's the File tab. It's pretty simple, but people are excited about that. So, the biggest, I think, improvement on Microsoft Word right now is screen clipping. You can do screenshots right from inside Word, and it'll directly insert into your document. So that's what we're going to try first. Okay, we're going to try a screenshot. Now, a couple of things about the screenshot. The first thing is it's under the Insert tab. So right here, Insert, and you click on that. And when you go to Insert, along your ribbon here, you will see Screenshot. Okay. Now, I will tell you this, and it's on your handouts, but when you take a screenshot directly from Word, it's going to take you to the last open window you have. So if you don't have any other open windows, it's just going to take you to your desktop, if that makes any sense. So before I go to screenshot, I'm just going to open up another window of something. In fact, I'm going to open up Internet Explorer, and I'll leave it in whatever comes up there. And then I'm going to leave it open and go back to my Word document. And the reason why is when I click Screenshot, I go to Screen Clipping right underneath there. You guys see that? And then it's going to let me, with that plus, just drag the area I want to take a picture, and bam, it inserts it directly into my document, which is kind of nice. No, that's fine. All right, I'm going to go to Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and then I can, well, I'm going to do it again because I just screwed it up. I can drag this plus sign, and it'll automatically insert whatever I highlight into the document. I don't have to do anything else. Okay, you guys can try that out. Now, if I don't have anything else open, it's just going to go to my desktop, and it's only going to let me take a screenshot of my desktop. So you have to open what you want to clip, have it open first, if that makes any sense. Okay, and then you treat it just like a picture. From here, you can resize it. And you can click on Picture Tools and edit it and do a variety of things with it. And we're going to go over that in Microsoft PowerPoint. Another interesting feature with that is on Screenshot, you see how it says Available Windows? If you want to take a picture of your entire, whatever window you're at last without, you can just click on that and it'll take a screenshot of the whole window you were at before. Yeah, yeah. If you have a bunch of things open, it'll give you whatever's open, but it won't let you do just part of it. It'll take the whole window, and you can crop it from there, I guess, if that's easy, if that's what you'd rather do. Okay. All right. So that's screen clipping, pretty easy. Next, we're going to do the Review tab. A few things have changed there. If you click on the tab which says Review, you'll see a new ribbon comes up. There's quite a few things you can do here, but the only one thing that I wanted to show you was the comments. This is great if you're grading student papers, if they send them to you electronically and you're working on rough draft and sending it back to them. Instead of printing all their papers, marking them, sending them back, having them resend it to you, you can make comments right on their paper. I'm going to open actually a file here so that that actually has words on it. Okay, so if I go to Review, wherever my cursor is, I have to click my cursor where I want to leave a comment, okay? So say I want to click on this line right here. I'm going to highlight this line because I want to leave a comment. I click New Comment, and it will let me insert a comment. Right there on there. And so the student, when you save it and send it back to them, they can see the comments. Now, if they don't want to see the comments, over here in the tracking tab, it says Final Show Markup. It shows you all the comments. You could click here and just show Final, all right, and it'll take away the comments so you can see what it looks like. And then if they want to go back, show markup. Now the student themselves, if they're looking at this, they can go over here and they can accept and move to the next, and it will delete the comment or reject and move to next, and it'll delete the comment. So if the student wants to delete the comment after they fix it, they just go reject and move on, and they'll move on. Okay, so that's a nice little feature in 2010. There's supposed to be an inking function where you could actually just write your comments on there and send it back to them. But for some reason, the inking function isn't working on any of our computers. They work on Miss Jacobs, but I don't know why they're not working on ours. But that's soon to come. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is make a custom ribbon. In case you didn't know, the top area here with all your tools, commands is called a ribbon. And of course, there's insert, ribbon, a page layout reference, all these different ribbons. Well, say that there's certain things that you use more than others and you want to make your own ribbon that's convenient for you. A new feature of this is a custom ribbon. So you go back to your file and you go to Options. When you click on Options, there is on the menu here a tab for custom ribbon. Okay? And what you have to do is you have to go down here where it says New Tab. All right, and it says New Tab, and it gives you what's called a new group. All right, everyone see that up here, new group? So you click New Tab and New Group. If you right-click on that, it'll let you rename it, and I'm going to rename it Sample, just because this is a sample. Okay, and here's what's cool. Look at this. All the different commands for Microsoft Word are listed here. You can click on any of them and click Add, whichever ones you want. Add. I'm just going to put 3 there, and you click OK, and look up here. No. Okay, hold on. Ribbon. Why did I not save it? What did I do? New tab. Oh, right here, I have to rename it here, New Tab. I'm sorry. Rename. Sample. Okay, so now I can add my stuff here. Yes. Only add custom groups. Yes. Oh, I have to click on the group. Okay. So I don't even know what I'm adding. I just added 2 things. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, and there it is. It showed up here. All right, somewhere. Sample, review. Oh, here it is right here. Sample. Sorry. And see, only the 2 things I added showed up. You guys see that? And so now I can just put all the things that I use, and that way you don't have to go insert, page layout, references. You can take all the best that you like and make your own if you want. Okay? I made one yesterday just goofing around called My Ribbon, and I added those things. So if you like to do that, you can do that. Okay? So that's Microsoft Word. Just a few new things in Word. Now we're going to move on to PowerPoint.
Hey, Mike, I
Yeah.
have a question about the ribbon.
Yes.
How do you,
So in PowerPoint, I'm going to show you three things. The first is a new picture feature, which is kind of cool. And in order to do that, I am going to just take a screenshot from my picture because we know how to do that now. You can do it. You can do the same thing out of Word as you can in PowerPoint. So I took a screenshot there. And so I want to mess around with this picture. I want to do something cool with it. So you see where it says Picture Tools here in pink? As long as I click on the picture, I can click on Picture Tools, and it'll let me do a lot of different things. It'll let you crop it, which is old. You should be able to do that. If not, you just click crop, and you can make it whatever size you want or whatever, and it'll crop it. What I want to do is I want to focus on the adjust features today. All right, there's a feature here called Remove Background, and if we click on Remove Background, whatever's purple will be removed when you click on that. So what it will do automatically is it will take whatever's at the center of your picture and it will remove everything else. So if you have a picture of something and you just want to, you can do that. And if you want to remove more of it, you can go mark areas to remove, and it'll remove more areas, right? Or if you want to unremove stuff, you can mark areas to keep. You can mark some areas you want to keep here, okay? And then you hit Keep Changes, and it gets rid of everything but what you highlighted to remove or keep, you know? So if I wanted to insert a picture of a something cool, don't know what.
does it do it with clip art too?
Yeah, any kind of a picture. So say I want, okay, my jellyfish here, okay? So say I want to remove the background of the jellyfish, it'll remove all that. But there's still some blue here I want to get rid of. I can mark these blue areas that I don't like. And that's good enough for now. Keep changes, and I just have my jellyfish as a picture. See that? So that's a neat thing. So let me get rid of this picture here.
But you have to be in PowerPoint.
Yeah, PowerPoint, yeah. But then you could save as a picture. If I want to save this as a picture file, I can just right-click on it and save as picture, and I can save the picture, the adjusted picture, as a picture file right out of PowerPoint. So it's kind of neat. If I want to keep changing it, there's corrections. You know, you can make it brighter or softer or whatever. You could change the colors. Great. You could do artistic effects like you can make it look pixely, you can make it look sepia, whatever, okay? You could do that, and that's kind of some interesting features for that. Now I want to show you guys really quick how to insert a video. So to insert video, again, you go to Insert, you go to Video, and you insert video from File. And I think I have a video on here, and you guys probably don't on yours, but I just want to show you. One of the nice new features, it'll insert a video, and it'll allow you to play it from any screen, so I can play it. So this is just a test. I'm testing out Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so there. And so I have a video that I created there. And the nice thing about this is when you go to video playback, you can choose whether you want to start it on a click or if you want to start automatically on a slide. You can adjust the volume. You can also trim the video. So if I just wanted to start parts of the video, I can trim it from the front or the back. Just a test. I'm testing out. And trim areas off it and click OK, and it saves it on to PowerPoint. So that's a nice little. Also with video now, which is cool, and I'll show you guys this just really quick with PowerPoint. When you save, you can save a PowerPoint now as a video, okay? So when I go to File, Save As, I can click here and go down to Windows Media Video, WMV, and it'll save